Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, good evening. I thought today we'd do a workout with, again, the resistance band, as it's very popular. So you have a choice of whatever resistance you want. You choose, you have bands that are more flexible and less flexible to work you a little harder, a little less. So always listen to your body. We're going to begin with a few stretches just to stretch out our body before we begin the workout. So when you're ready, we're going to just inhale the arms up, keep them there, and we're just going to hinge to the side, stretching down the right side. Inhale back to center, exhale to the opposite side. Take a breath there, and back to center. Bring the hands down. Once again, inhale up. Reach to the left, hinge down the side, back to center, and to the left, center, and down. I just bring the belt round behind you. Have it around where your bra strap would be. And then just hold it with the palms facing up. So this time all you're going to do is extend outwards, open, back, and down. Outwards, open, back, down. Just to loosen up the shoulders before we start to get into the more difficult exercises to warm up the body. And we'll do one more. I bring the belt down. You're going to place it below the right foot, or you could step both feet on it if it's long enough. And I want you to turn your palm facing down so that you're holding the band from underneath. So this time, all we're doing is we're reaching the band up, so it should be on the outside of your elbow. Reach it up, hinge to the side, back, and down. So this time we've got a bit more resistance. Now you may need to adjust the belt as you go if it slips or if it's not at your level of resistance. This will help to work the waist. Place the left hand on the hip if you wish. Let's do two more. And bring it down. Keep the feet where they are. Just take the band into the left hand now. Make sure that your core is engaged, your tailbone's tilted in and under, shoulders relaxed away from your ears. This time we're just going to extend the arm out to the side and down. We're just working our left shoulder this time. And again, either loosen the resistance or make it tighter if you want to work a little bit more. Two more. And release. Now switch to the opposite side. So have the band under the left foot at least, or both feet. Palm is facing up so that when you take that band, it's going to be on the outside of your elbow, if you can see there. So you're going to reach, hinge, back, and down. Reach, hinge, down. You probably will feel this on your waist as you reach and hinge, because you're using that resistance then to work those obliques a little bit more. Two more. Now switch the band into the opposite hand again, into your right hand, palm facing up. Just taking that arm up to shoulder height, working the shoulder, Again, adjust the resistance if you need to, either making it easier or harder depending on your level. Two more. And relax. Now we're going to bring the band under both feet. Have the feet hip width apart. Hopefully it will be long enough. I know some are shorter, so I hope it works all right for you. Have the hands with the palms facing up again. This time we're keeping the elbows tucked in tight. We're going to just do bicep curls. Keep your tailbone tilted in and under, core engaged. Two more. That's your bicep curls. We're going to come into a tricep. Well, we're going to work the triceps now. So this is a bit more difficult to get into. You want to be standing on the band and bring it up behind you, holding it in both hands. Again, notice how the resistance is. So either tighten or loosen. So you're just reaching and then letting the elbows bend. So this will work our triceps. May get caught in your hair is the only thing, as I notice. You may have static hair after this one, but it's a good one for the triceps. Keep the core engaged. Elbows are bending and the hands coming down behind your head. Do two more. And release. Now we're going to step onto the band with our right foot. We're going to hold it with the palms facing down. So you want the thumb pointing down. Going to step the left foot through. So we're taking the hands out to the side while we lift this front leg. So there's a bit of balance involved here, but just steady yourself if you need to. So when you're ready, hands come out to the side, and toe comes down. So we're working our legs and our shoulders here, and our core, because to balance you need to engage the core. Two more. Okay, now you're going to bring the weight onto the front foot. Turn the palms so the thumbs are facing forward. The weight's going to come in the front foot, and as you extend into the back foot, you're going to bring the hands forward. So again, a bit of balance involved, but you can take that foot down each time. Another three. And switch onto the left. So palms facing down. Begin with our out to the side. Bring that right foot through. Once you're steady, take the hands out and bring the leg up. You should feel the burn on your shoulder if you've got a tough resistance band. I'm feeling it. Another three. And then rotate the palms so the thumbs are facing up. Bring the weight onto the front foot and then extend into the back leg as you bring your hands forward. Last one. Well done. Okay, we're going to come down onto our bottoms and our back. We're going to bring the band this time around our feet. So we'll work the core a little bit here. So if you want to watch me first, and then you can do it. We're just going to bend into the knees. You're going to push the band away and bring it up. So here, if you have your elbows tucked by your ribs, it'll help you to not get any tension in your shoulders. So push the feet away, scoop up, bend into the knees, push and scoop up. Now, if you've got lower back problems, just keep your knees bent. Don't straighten them out too much. Let's do another 3. Okay, now I want you to keep the right foot in the band, take the left leg out and straighten it. And there's a bit of coordination, so it might take you a while to get this. So as the right leg comes down, you're going to bring the left leg through and extend it. And then as the leg comes up, take the leg through and extend it down. So it's just switching, bringing it up and extending it down. So again, we're working our core here. Feel that on your stomach. Let's do another 2. And then switch the band onto the left foot. So extend the right leg down. Once that left leg is coming down, bring the leg through and back, through and back. So sometimes this takes a while to get, but once you've got it, then that's normally it. Let's do another 3. And then just hug the knees in to release the lower back. So you should always listen to your body. If there's a difference, obviously, between feeling the body work and feeling the body in pain, and it should not be in pain. So at any time you feel it's not for you, then just stop. Okay, so we're just going to stretch our legs out now. So keep either the left knee bent or straighten it if that's comfortable. Have your arms long on the band. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, just walk the hands down the band just until you get the stretch in your hamstring. Now you can keep the knee bent here if you need to. Just take a few breaths, breathing in through the nose and sighing through the mouth. So releasing any tightness and tension. People tend to hold their breath sometimes when they're stretching, and that just tightens the muscles. So you want to let the muscles relax by breathing into it. Now just keep the band in the left hand here. Bring your right hand to the floor and just guide that leg across till you're getting a stretch on the outer hip there. You should feel it. It's a nice stretch normally. Again, use your breath, breathe into it, don't hold your breath. Then bring the leg through center, switch into the right hand, bring the left hand either to the floor or to your left hip. Take that leg out to where it will go, so you're getting a stretch on the inside of the leg. And bring it back to center. Switch onto the left foot. Either keep the right foot on the mat or extend the right leg long. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, walk the hands down the band until you feel the stretch in your hamstrings, and remember to relax the shoulders away from your ears. Try and hold the band with long arms. I find if you're holding it with bent arms, you're holding more tension in the shoulders. So at least the weight is spread over the arms when they're long. And one more deep breath in and out. This time keep the band in the right hand, bring the left hand to the floor, guide your leg across. You'll feel that stretch on the outer hip. Use your breath to relax and release the tension. And then slowly bring it back through center, switch it into the left hand, either bringing the right hand to the floor or to the right hip. Getting a stretch in the inner thigh. And obviously it will look different for everyone. So your leg may go to here, it may only go to here. Everyone has different flexibility in different areas of their body. So just go to where your body will let you go and just breathe into it as long as you're feeling the stretch. One more deep breath in and out. And bring that leg back to center. Release the band. Once more, just hug the knees in to release the lower back. You may wish to rock forwards or back or side to side. And whenever you're ready, you can just rock yourself up into a seated position. So I hope you enjoyed that little resistance band workout. I do find sometimes they say rather than go to an hour class or an hour and a half once a week, it is better to fit smaller periods of time throughout the week, like 20 minutes, 10 minutes here. If you're doing it daily, it's much more beneficial to the body a little bit daily than doing 1 hour once a week. So if you enjoy these little short videos, please do comment, like, subscribe to help me grow my channel so that I can help women in their 50s like myself to stay mobile, flexible, youthful and energetic. Though we don't always feel like that every day, but hopefully most days. So I will say goodbye for now and hopefully see you again soon. Bye.